Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on -1's big friends formula. That means wherever I won't be able to do -1, I won't have enough beats to do -1. And second, I can't do small friends of -1 also. That's when I'll do big friends of -1. Okay. We will start with the B row. A row is your homework. Okay, let us start. First question. +2 plus 8. Can I do 8? No, I don't have enough beats. So formula of 8 is +10 minus 2. Now I have to do -1. See, I am stuck. Clearly, I am stuck. I don't have beats for -1, right? This is to 10. I don't have beats for -1 here. So we have two formulas of -1. First of small friends, second of big friends. So small friends formula of -1 says -5 plus 4. Can I do -5 here? 5 is already subtracted. How will I subtract -5 now? Okay. So clearly we can't do the small friends formula of -1. But see, big friends formula of -1 says -10 plus 9. Clearly we have -10. We will do -10, then plus 9. Then plus 2. Formula of plus 2, because I don't have beats for 2, is +10 minus 8. Big friends formula we applied. My answer is 11. What did we do? We saw that we didn't have enough beats to subtract -1. And we couldn't do small friends also in that case. So we did big friends. Next question. 5. Again 5. Do I have beats to add 5 again? No. So formula of 5 +10 minus 5. Then -1. Again no beats to do -1 and no small friends. So formula of -1 is -10 plus 9. Then plus 3. Do I have beats to do plus 3? No. So formula of 3 +10 minus 7. My answer is 12. When I say no small friends, no big friends, that means no formula for small friends, no formula of big friends, right? Next question. 6 plus 4. Do I have enough beats to do 4? No. So formula of 4, big friends, +10 minus 6, because we can't do small friends formula here, right? Then -1. Do I have enough beats to do -1? No. And can I apply small friends formula of -1? No. So formula of -1 of big friends, -10 plus 9. Then plus 4. How can we do 4? Big friends formula of 4 is +10 minus 6. How do I know, ma'am, where to apply big friends, where to apply small friends? Just check with the small friends formula. If you have beats to do small friends formula, do small friends. If you don't have, then do big friends. Next question. +7 plus 3. Do I have beats to do plus 3? No. So formula of plus 3 is +10 minus 7. Then -1. Again, no beats to do -1 and we can't apply small friends. So formula of big friends of -1 is -10 plus 9. Then plus 5. Do I have beats to do plus 5? No. So formula of plus 5 is +10 minus 5. My answer is 14. Everywhere we are applying one or the other formula. Next question, last one. +10, okay. Then -1. Can't do -1. No beats, no small friends formula. Then formula of -1 is for big friends, -10 plus 9. Then there is another -1. This so we can do directly. We did. Then plus 9. Formula of plus 9, because we can't do plus 9 here, no beats. So formula for plus 9 is +10 minus 1. My answer is 17. I hope it's clear, guys. Okay. I'll see you in the next class now. Till then, complete your homework. Drop your answers in the comments for the A row. A row is your homework. Okay. Bye bye.